lovelies, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today we're going to be trying out the wave formers. I got this wave formers from AliExpress and it came with this wand. I'm just going to be attaching the wand like so. I've already kind of threaded my hair to stretch it out. Check out my link down below for a video on how to thread your hair to kind of stretch your hair without heat. So I'm just going to be parting my hair in sections. I'm going to be doing like a deep side style, just like so. I'm going to be using rubber bands for the style. I'm going to be using the Lotta body foaming mousse to style. Spritz water into my hair, put in the Lotta body, and I'm just patting that section into 4. And I'll put the rubber bands in there, just like so. So I'll just use the rubber band to style like so. Then I'm gonna detangle this section here, put in the Lotta body foaming mousse, and then get in the wave formers and put it in a wand, just like so. Then I'm going to be putting that loop in to the piece of hair there, just like so. Push the waveformers up and then drag the wand out. And that's it in. I'm going to do exactly the same step at the next one. So I'm going to make sure it's detangled, put in Lotta body, and then I'm going to loop in the waveformers in the wand, put it in the wand like so. Hold a piece of hair like there. Make sure it's detangled. I'm going to just loop it in just like so. Push the waveformers up, hold it at the edge there, and I'm gonna pull the wand out and the hair is in, and that's just how to apply it. Just gonna continue to the back section as well. Sprit water into the hair, put in the mousse, detangle, twist the hair like so, and then put in the wand, push the waveformers up like so, then just drag the wand out. I'm just going to continue exactly the same steps till I get to the front, but it's really twisting the hair at the bottom there before you loop it in, and then push the waveformers in and pull out. So I'll just repeat the steps, guys. So this is all the waveformers in the hair. I've got a 36 in my hair. I'm going to sit under my hooded dryer for 1 hour. And now I'm taking it out and filling it just to check if it's properly dry. I'm just dragging it down like so. That's just how to take it out. It's really easy. Just drag out. Looks okay. The curls are there. I'm going to start by taking out the other side as well. I think the parts where I put a lot of Lotta body, it sets really well. I think some parts I didn't put enough Lotta body in it. But I'm going to now start by separating and fluffing it out. I'm just gonna fluff the roots out like so, just to tease it out like so, just to make it a bit more full. And yeah, I actually like the curls, like the way it turned out. But I think the next time I'm gonna try this, I'm gonna use a gel to get that defined look, defined curls. I'm gonna accessorize with this gold accessories. I'm just gonna put that there like so. I like it, it looks lovely. I hope you guys actually found this video helpful. Thumbs up this video if you liked it, comment down below what you think, and also subscribe if you haven't. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.